In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Acuity scheduling. Whether you're moving your business, starting to offer services in a new area, or simply need to update your location for any other reason, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive into the exact steps you need to follow to ensure your Acuity scheduling reflects your new location accurately. First things first, let's head over to Acuity Scheduling's website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. This is your gateway to accessing your Acuity dashboard and making all necessary changes, including updating your location. After you've clicked on login, it's time to enter your email address. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. After typing in your email, you'll see a button that says Next. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the next stage of the login process. Acuity Scheduling offers a seamless integration with Google, making it easier for those who prefer using their Google account for such purposes. At this point, you will see an option to continue with Google. Clicking on this option streamlines the login process, as it uses your Google credentials to access your Acuity account. Choose this option for a hassle-free login experience. Now you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Select the Google account you want to use for signing into Acuity. If you're already logged into your Google account, this step will be a breeze. Just a single click and you're almost there. Having successfully logged in, it's time to navigate to the calendar section of your account. This area is crucial for managing your appointments and, of course, your location settings. To find your calendar, you might need to explore the dashboard a bit, but it's generally located in an easily accessible spot on your dashboard. Once you've clicked on your calendar, locate the specific appointment for which you wish to change the location. Acuity's neat and user-friendly interface makes it easy to spot your upcoming appointments. Click on the appointment that's getting a location update. After selecting the appointment, look for an edit option. This button will take you to a page where you can modify the details of your appointment. Editing your appointment details is straightforward. Just look for the editing option, usually symbolized by a pencil icon or the word edit. When you find yourself in the edit mode, you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. This is where you'll typically find the location settings for your appointment. Depending on your screen size, this might require a bit of scrolling, but it's there, I promise. Now, you've reached the part where you can update your location. Take a moment to enter your new address accurately. Double check for any typos or errors to ensure that your clients can find you without any hassle. Once you've entered the new location, you're just about ready to finalize the change. The last step is to save your changes. Look for a save button, which should be visible after you've updated the address. Clicking save will apply the changes to your appointment, effectively updating the location as needed. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the location of your appointment on Acuity Scheduling. It's always a good practice to double check the appointment details to ensure everything is updated correctly. This process not only helps maintain the accuracy of your scheduling system, but also ensures that your clients are well informed of your new location. Remember, keeping your business information up to date is crucial in maintaining a smooth operation and providing your clients with the best possible experience. Acuity Scheduling makes it simple to manage these updates, helping you stay on top of any changes that come your way. I hope this guide has been helpful in walking you through the process of updating your location in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're moving across town or just across the street, it's important that your scheduling software reflects your current operating location. This ensures your clients always know where to find you, leading to a better overall experience for both you and them.